Hello, everyone, and welcome to this in-depth exploration of how artificial intelligence is truly reshaping the entire sales world. And beware, this isn't just a thing of the future, it's happening right now in 2025. We hear a lot about AI in sales, right? Lots of promises, lots of noise. But the big question is, how much truth is there? How is it really changing the daily work of sales teams? Today, we're going to go beyond the hype and dive into the real benefits, the practical applications already in use that impact sales processes. We're going to see how AI can help throughout the entire cycle, from finding the right customer to closing the sale and even in team training. Because there's something important to understand here. Artificial intelligence isn't just another tool to add to your sales process. It's a paradigm shift that is transforming the very essence of how we do sales in 2025. What's really happening with AI in sales? Imagine this. As you're watching this video, there are sales teams increasing their lead research capacity by 15 times. Yes, you heard right, 15 times. One company I know went from spending 30 minutes researching each prospect to just 2 minutes. What do they do with those 40x hours a week they're saving? Well, they're spending it on what really matters, real conversations with customers. AI is impacting the entire sales cycle, from initial prospecting to closing the sale, including presentation preparation, conversation analysis, and post-sale follow-up. Every phase of the sales process is being transformed. And I'm not talking theory. I'm talking about applications that are already in use today. Tools that can detect purchase intent signals in real time, that can personalize messages on a massive scale, that can analyze your calls and tell you exactly what worked and what didn't. The number one goal of integrating AI into sales is to free the salesperson. Free them from what? From all those repetitive, mechanical tasks that waste their time and energy. How many times have you seen a salesperson spend hours searching for data like a detective? Researching LinkedIn, the client's website, the news, financial reports. AI can do all of this in seconds. The idea is to eliminate the need for the salesperson to act as a data miner and allow them to focus on what really matters, building relationships, connecting with people, and creating lasting bonds. Because there's something AI can't replace here. Genuine empathy, the ability to truly listen, to understand the customer's deep needs, and to build trust. These genuinely human skills become more valuable than ever when AI takes over the mechanical. We're witnessing a monumental shift in sales processes. From the traditional model of call 100 people, some will fall, to a data-driven approach to quality and precision. And this isn't just theory. I know a company that went from contacting 1,000 prospects a month to close 5 sales to contacting only 150 highly qualified prospects and closing 12 sales. Same investment, more than double the results. How did they do it? AI allows them to identify contacts interested in buying. Through intelligent lead scoring and detecting real intent signals, they can know who is truly ready to buy right now. It's like stopping looking for needles in a haystack and having a magnet that attracts exactly the needles you're looking for. Instead of wasting time with 100 cold leads, you focus on the 10 people who are actually in the buying moment. Intent signals are the holy grail of modern prospecting. AI can detect activity on your website, organizational changes in companies, adoption of new technologies, financial events, social media activity, all in real time. And here we come to something fundamental, the paradox of AI in sales. The more we automate with AI, the more valuable genuinely human skills become. AI does not replace the salesperson. Not yet, and probably not in the near future. AI is a tool, not a substitute for human talent. What are these differentiating skills that are becoming more valuable? Human empathy, the ability to build trusting relationships, the ability to inspire credibility and confidence, to handle complex objections, to negotiate when many variables are at play. Imagine this scene. A salesperson walks into a meeting having spent 2 minutes researching the customer instead of 30. They arrive with a detailed AI-generated report, but with the time and energy to truly connect with the person. They can actively listen, ask in-depth questions, and understand real concerns. That's pure gold. What automation does is free up time and mental resources so the salesperson can be more human, which is no small feat. It's time to talk about something crucial. AI isn't magic. And this is important because many people think they'll buy an AI tool and suddenly their sales will triple. It doesn't work that way. AI requires ongoing supervision and training. It's not an infallible autonomous system that you can leave working alone. It's like having a very capable assistant that needs clear direction and constant review. And here's a fundamental truth: garbage in, garbage out. If your CRM or ERP is dirty, outdated, and filled with incorrect data, AI will give you poor results. AI can't create gold from garbage. The key requirements for success are quality data, precise instructions, and human review before any shipment to the customer. There must always be a human reviewing what the AI generates before it reaches the customer. Think of AI like a Ferrari. It's an incredible machine, but if you put bad gas in it or don't know how to drive it, you won't be able to take advantage of its potential. You need maintenance, good fuel, and a skilled driver. AI in sales isn't a passing fad. It's not like those trends that come and go. It's a profound and structural change comparable to the arrival of the internet in the 1990s. Remember when companies said, "We don't need a website"? What happened to those companies? Exactly, they disappeared or fell far behind. The same thing is happening now with AI. Teams that don't adapt and invest in AI training will inevitably fall behind in the new commercial landscape. Digital business transformation is no longer optional. It's essential to remain competitive in 2025 and beyond. And I'm not being dramatic. This is real. Customers are changing. They expect faster responses, true personalization, and relevant offerings. If your competition is using AI to deliver that and you're not, who do you think will win the sale? So what do? The main recommendation is start experimenting today. Don't wait for your company to have a corporate AI policy. Don't wait for the time to be right. Start small. Try ChatGPT or Gemini to research potential clients. Use tools to analyze your own calls with AI. Experiment with a lead scoring tool. The magic formula is artificial intelligence plus humans equals results that neither would achieve independently. AI plus humans creates results that neither could achieve separately. They complement each other. And as a sneak peek, in the next video, we'll focus on Phase 1, prospecting and qualification. We'll see how AI becomes that magnet that attracts exactly the needles we're looking for, leaving aside the traditional prospecting that takes up so much of our time. The future of sales is already here. It's not a promise, it's not a projection. It's a reality that is transforming the industry as you watch this video. The question isn't whether you should adopt AI in your sales process. The question is how quickly you can start without being left behind. Remember, AI isn't going to replace salespeople, but it will replace salespeople who don't use AI. So start today. Experiment, learn, adapt, because the AI sales train is already rolling and the next station is success. Thank you for joining me for this video. Now it's time to move from theory to practice. Are you ready to jump on board?